5 minus 3 gives us 2. And again inside the parentheses 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. Because we did not follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. With these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to PEMDAS. Before solving the question, I kindly ask you to like this video right now, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. The question is, 5 minus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 3. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate inside the parentheses. 5 minus 3 becomes 2. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and usually for simplicity and brevity, we do not write the multiplication sign. Then we perform the multiplication. Because it has a higher priority than subtraction. 3 multiplied by 2 becomes 6. Finally, 5 minus 6 becomes -1. Now solve this question according to PEMDAS and write the answer in the comments. Pay attention that the answer to this question is not 1. The solution to this question will be in the next video on the channel, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.